What's going on, guys? Sky Marine. Come and do the shop tour with me. A lot of people don't realize that we actually expanded our office to next door to the yard. Still a work in progress. Got all our merch over here. Our old float that we used in the Float Your Boat competition a year ago. We've got some baby stuff in here. Keep our princess happy. Don't we? Yeah. And we got a little bit of parts inventory in the back there. And then out here we actually have a little bit of warehouse space. A little bit of a mess now. We're kind of getting stuff on eBay. We got our personal Donzi that's actually for sale. If anybody's interested, please contact me. That's what we got going on in here. So we're in the yard here now, where a majority of the work happens. We got a few boats in for service. We got this old Ranger Phantom in for an oil change, and a couple little things, some pumps and stuff are out. Nav light broke on his way here, he said, so we're replacing that for him. Got an older yellowfin that was in for service, and a few other things. We're gonna rip out one of the Garmin's that has bad screen and replace it with Simrad so he can get the Seymour mapping on it. He's excited about that. We got his Bahamas chip in for him. We got a Chitim in that had an oil leak, and then we found out that had a problem in the cooling system because somebody tore it apart, didn't put it back together properly, had an oil leak, and it also had a water leak, and it was spraying the whole motor down with salt water. So we got it all cleaned up, and that's all done. So we'll have that getting picked up hopefully later today. We got that Everglades that sunk at the dock a week ago or so. Insurance just approved that, so we got parts on order for that coming. And then we got Jeff in the back barn, as usual, doing his fiberglass work. And then we got a couple other things happening.